In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept online payments and deposits in Zoho Bookings. By the end, you'll know how to connect a payment gateway, choose what your clients pay at the time of booking, understand what they see during checkout, and manage payments after the appointment is created. First, let's enable online payments by connecting a payment gateway. In Zoho Bookings, open the Admin Center in the top right corner and select Integrations, then Payments. You'll see a list of connections available. Click Configure next to the gateway you plan to use, such as Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, Authorize.net, Mercado Pago, or 2Checkout. Follow the prompts to enter your gateway account details and complete the connection. When the setup is done, turn on the Online Payments toggle so that Zoho Bookings can actually request payment during checkout. Keep in mind, only super admins and admins can perform this setup. One important tip here, make sure the currency set in your Zoho Bookings organization matches the currency supported by your payment gateway. Mismatched currencies can cause errors or unexpected totals at checkout. With a gateway connected, decide how you want to charge for each offering. Go to Event Types or Services from the left sidebar and edit the specific service or event you want to configure. In the Event Type Details or Service Information section, find the Payment Type setting. Choose Full Payment if you want to collect the entire price when a client books. Select Deposit if you prefer a partial payment at booking. You can set a fixed amount or a percentage to collect up front, with the remaining balance due later. Or choose Optional if you want to let customers reserve a slot without paying immediately. A quick best practice. If you use a deposit, clearly mention in your service description what remains due and when it will be collected, so clients know exactly what to expect. Here's what your customers will experience. As they book an appointment, they're redirected to your payment gateway as part of the checkout flow. They'll complete the payment, either the full amount or the deposit, before their booking is confirmed. If the payment doesn't go through or is abandoned, the booking may not be confirmed based on your settings, and they'll need to successfully complete payment for confirmation. Finally, let's manage payments after booking. Open any appointment and review its Summary or Payment tab to see the amount due, what's been paid, and the current status. If a client pays you outside the gateway, you can manually update the payment status to keep your records accurate and aligned. And that's it. You've connected a gateway, set payment rules by service, understood the client checkout flow, and learned where to track and adjust payments in Zoho Bookings.